What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Yoges ZQ2 head strap for Quest 2 and comparing to other head straps we've trialed in the past. This will hopefully give you a good idea of what head strap is best for you. Now, this video is featured on the Oculus MetaQuest playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. As always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. On that note, the ZQ2 head strap was sent to us for this unboxing and review. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Now, if this looks familiar, it's because this packaging is almost identical to the ZQ2 head strap packaging. This tells me that these products are sold under several different brand names, but may be manufactured at the same facility. Contents are simple here and include the head strap and product information. Again, if you've watched the ZQ2 video, this head strap, like the packaging, looks almost identical to that unit. The articulating portions have the same design and color scheme, as well as the same fit wheel section. This means fit wheel adjustment has the same performance as the ZQ2. Now, speaking of that fit wheel, it's one of the best designs you can find on a head strap. Not only can you access it from any angle, but because you have these waves on the fit wheel itself, it adds a little bit of texture, so it's easy to fill out. Now, as for functionality, it's going to be similar to other head straps. You have a ratcheting mechanism when you are shortening the head strap, and it makes kind of a clicking noise when you are extending it. Now, I will say that this design compared to other head straps feels a little bit less premium and not as smooth. Now, for comparison, on the left I have the Kiwi design replaceable head strap, and on the right I have the Quest 2 Elite strap with built-in battery. Now, I will say the Kiwi design has more of an accessible fit wheel. You can access it from any angle, whereas the Elite strap's fit wheel is more recessed, so you can only access it from the top and bottom. But personally, I like the functionality of the fit wheel on these head straps more. They just feel a little bit more smoother, a little bit more tighter. They just work overall better. I will say that the head strap that feels like it has the best fit wheel would be the Kiwi design replaceable head strap. Unlike the ZQ2 you see on the right here, the ZQ2 features these round pads that sit above the forehead. We also have this padded strap that runs from the back of the head strap to the front. Now, the ZQ2 compensates for this by having this padded bridge that also has a battery mount bracket, so you can put a battery pack on here to extend your playtime for your Quest 2. So on the left we have the ZQ2, and on the right we have the Kiwi design, and we're going to compare these straps that run from the back of the headset to the front. Now, as you can see, the Kiwi design is going to have a longer strap, and as for density, they're going to be about the same. Material is about the same. Now, of course, the ZQ2, again, that's going to be shorter, but it compensates for these round pads that again sit above the forehead. Now, from left to right we have the ZQ2, the Kiwi design, and the ZQ2. And the thing that all these head straps have in common is that they all have some kind of padding. And this is where the Elite strap falls behind. Now, you can see that the Elite strap has no padding whatsoever. There's no padding on the strap that runs from the back of the headset to the front. And there's no padding on the back portion here for the back of your head. So, in my opinion, the Elite strap is going to be the least comfortable. Now, out of these three headsets that you see here, which one is the most comfortable? I believe it comes down to preference. I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these. I feel like, again, these all have the same amount of density in each part of the padded portions. The material is about the same, and although the padding is in different areas, they all seem to be about equal in the amount of pressure they put on your head. Now, the one area that the Elite strap wins in is having that built-in battery, and that obviously extends your playtime. Now the head strap that comes closest to this would be the ZQ2, but you would have to add your own battery pack. Now there are other straps on the market that do include a built-in battery, but I haven't had a chance to try those yet. So let's talk head strap installation and removal. Now if you're running a head strap like the Kiwi design you see here, or the Elite strap, these straps snap into place on the side arm of the Quest 2 itself, just like so, and removal will be a little bit more challenging. In fact, I don't really like these because it feels like you're gonna break something. But that's installation and removal of this head strap. And then we have the ZQ2, and it installs the same way as the ZQ2. These are actually going to slide over that arm on the Quest 2, and you're going to push it into place. Now you have to kind of work both sides at the same time, which we're going to demonstrate. And I like this design a little bit more, even though it's harder to install initially, because it's a more secure install. It's not going to possibly snap off. And even though I've never had the other design snap off, this just gives me more confidence while playing. And then we have the padded strap that you see on the back here that runs from the back of the head strap to the front once it's installed. Now before we can install that, we have to remove this portion here in the headset. That just comes out of place just like that. Now changing the camera angle, we can get a better view of some of the final install steps of the ZQ2 head strap. Now when it comes to the ZQ2, I do feel it'll be one of the harder head straps to install because of all the extras you have in the way here. Now we can work around this by articulating this head strap a little bit. And then we'll take that long padded strap, which is Velcroed. We have to unvelcro that. And we're going to run it above this bridge because it doesn't make sense to run it underneath, because then it would be between your head and the pad that is on the bridge itself. And then one of the trickier parts may be fishing this portion through this little window here. You just have to wiggle it and then pull it through and then attach it as so. Now I flipped my assembly upside down because I felt it would be the easiest way to install this portion back on. And we're just going to guide it straight in, and then it should click into place. This might take a little bit of work, and you may also have to flip it right side up to get it to snap into place as well, but you should feel a clicking just like you get there. And you may have to play with this a few times here. You want to make sure that it's actually secure. You can kind of tug on everything and just push a few extra times to make sure it actually snapped into place. So what do you think? Shall we strap into this headset, Mike? I think we shall. There's something about putting on a head strap for the first time, and we're going to go right into it. And I could say this already feels like it has a very tactical feel to it. And it actually feels very supportive compared to the other head straps because it actually has the most support, which is something that I really like about it. I could see this just being a little bit better than all the other head straps. Yes, I said it. This one is a little bit better. And the fit wheel, it does a good job. Again, the fit wheel adjustment is not the best. I do prefer what's on the Kiwi design and what is on that Elite strap. The Kiwi design has the best fit wheel mechanics. You know, just the way it ratchets. But this one, again, it's easier to find. It's got that nice wavy feel on the knob. I really like that. I think this is up there. This is, out of all of them, it's close, but I think this one is, it might be the best one. But ultimately, it depends on your preference, and I don't even know if I'm facing the camera anymore. Now, after trying all these headsets, there is still one problem that hasn't been solved yet, and that is the ability to wear a hat while using these headsets. Has anyone figured this out yet? Anyways, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way you can support the content is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way you can support the channel is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on if you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.